The name of this story is The Magic Pot. Once upon a time, there lived a farmer in a village. He used to go to his farm every day and do his farming activities. One day, he was digging the farm to prepare it for sowing the seeds for coming monsoon. All of a sudden, he found a big pot in the farm. He took the pot out and he wondered what that pot will be useful for. So, he just kept that pot aside and started his usual activities again. During the lunch time, he just kept his spade in that pot while he was eating. When the farmer finished his lunch, he saw to his surprise that his spade was multiplied to 100 spades in that pot. He was really surprised. He thought to himself,
"Oh, I did not bring 100 spades. I just brought only one spade. How come the one spade became 100 spades? I don't understand."
Then he thought this must be something to do with the pot. So he took away those 100 spades and took up a stone from nearby and put that stone in that pot. And then when he looked inside the pot, instead of a stone that he put in, there were 100 stones lying there. That is when he realized that the pot was magical. So he brought the pot back home and kept it in secret. From that day on, he used the pot to satisfy his needs. So, whenever he wanted a cloth, he will put a piece of cloth and he will get cloth enough for him to make his clothes. Whenever he was hungry, he would put a fruit in that pot and he would get 100 fruits back from the pot. That way, gradually, he started becoming rich. But that farmer was an honest farmer. He never used the magic of the pot for satisfying his greed. He was not a greedy farmer. However, his neighbor noticed that this farmer is getting richer and richer every day. So, he tried to find out the secret of his richness. So, one day, neighbor stood outside his window, peeping into the house of this farmer to find out what this farmer is doing. That time, farmer kept a little spoon of milk inside the pot. And he took out a liter of milk from the pot. Now I understand, said the neighbor. He said that magical pot is giving him all the richness. So, this wicked neighbor, envious neighbor, decided to steal this pot from this farmer. That night itself, he stole that pot from the farmer's house and took it back home to his own house. He was very eager to find out the magic of the pot. But before that, he just wanted to find out if there is anything inside the pot. So, he put his hand in the pot, but obviously there was nothing in the pot. But to his surprise, when he took out his hand, he realized that now he has 100 hands to his bodies. And now he was really scared because he did not know how to bring those 100 things back to one again. So next day, as he came out of the house, the people were really scared and they thought he is some kind of demon with 100 hands on one side and one hand on other. So the other villagers started stoning him and they drove him away. When this farmer saw all this happening, he realized that the neighbor must have stolen the pot from him and must have put in his hands into it. So, the moral of the story is, do not be envious of anyone and never ever steal anything from anyone.